The new generation is here, and it brings 6 key differences between the old and new 2026 Mazda CX-5 that will completely change how you think about this compact SUV. Let's check them out. Number 6. New look. Have you ever pulled up next to a luxury SUV at a traffic light and wished your crossover had that same premium presence? The current CX-5 is a handsome vehicle, but it's been around for a while, and that's why Mazda is bringing complete visual transformation. The LED headlights are becoming slimmer and more angular, tucked into dark housings that mirror the design language found on CX-70 and CX-90 models. This means when you're driving the new CX-5, other drivers will see the same premium lighting signature that they associate with much more expensive vehicles. But the benefits go beyond just looking good, as these advanced LED units are providing better nighttime visibility and longer lifespan compared to traditional headlight designs. The grille is expanding and becoming more sculpted, with glossy black trim surrounding the entire front fascia, wheel arches, and side skirts. When you're walking toward your CX-5 in a crowded parking garage, this bold front-end design will make it instantly recognizable from a distance. The most significant branding change is happening at the rear, where Mazda is ditching the traditional circular logo for script lettering stretched across the tailgate. This same approach appears on the steering wheel interior, creating that cohesive luxury experience you feel every time you get behind the wheel. Therefore, the 2026 model will project the same upscale image as vehicles costing $10,000 more, but without the premium price tag. The new styling makes a powerful first impression, but looking good means nothing if you can't comfortably fit your family and their belongings inside, which brings us to the next game-changing improvement. Number 5. More passenger and cargo space. Anyone who's tried to fit 3 adults in the backseat of an old CX-5 knows the struggle is real. Your passengers end up with their knees pressed against the front seats, creating an uncomfortable experience that makes longer trips miserable for everyone involved. But the bigger problem comes when you're trying to haul groceries, sports equipment, and luggage all at the same time, and you have to choose what stays home. The 2026 model is growing by 4.5 inches in overall length and gaining a 3-inch wheelbase extension. This means when your adult children or elderly parents climb into the back seat, they'll actually have room to sit comfortably without complaining about cramped conditions. The rear door openings are becoming larger, making it significantly easier to install child seats or help elderly family members get in and out safely. The cargo area is expanding by 2 inches in length and 1 inch in height, but more importantly, the liftover height is dropping by ½ an inch. If you've ever strained your back loading heavy groceries or struggled to hoist a cooler into your current CX-5, this lower load floor will make those everyday tasks noticeably easier and safer for your spine. Therefore, you'll stop avoiding trips to the home improvement store because you know your purchases will actually fit without playing automotive Tetris. Number 4. New tech features. Picture this scenario. You're trying to enter a destination into your current CX-5's navigation system while your passenger is asking questions, but you can only use the touchscreen when stopped, forcing you to pull over or rely on that frustrating rotary controller that never seems to select what you actually want. This kind of tech confusion has been driving CX-5 owners crazy for years. The centerpiece of the 2026 transformation is a massive 15.6-inch touchscreen powered by Google built-in technology. When you need directions to an unfamiliar restaurant or want to find the nearest gas station, you'll be able to use the same Google Maps interface you already know from your smartphone, complete with real-time traffic updates and voice commands that actually understand what you're saying. The confusing control system that mixed touchscreen capability with a rotary knob controller is being completely eliminated. This means you'll never again experience that frustrating moment when you're trying to quickly adjust the radio volume but accidentally change the climate control settings instead. The new system operates exclusively through intuitive touch controls that respond instantly to your fingertips. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are becoming standard features, but the Google built-in system allows you to operate navigation, music, and phone calls without needing to dig your smartphone out of your pocket. Therefore, you'll spend less time fumbling with devices and more time focused on the road ahead while still having access to all your favorite apps and content. All this advanced technology creates an impressive user experience, but it's meaningless if the engine under the hood can't deliver the reliability and efficiency you need for daily driving, which is where Mazda's powertrain strategy takes an unexpected turn. Number 3. No more Turbo 4. Here's a question that might surprise you. Would you rather have an engine that produces impressive peak horsepower numbers on paper, or one that starts reliably every morning for the next 200,000 miles without expensive repairs? Most car enthusiasts focus on maximum power output, but real-world CX-5 owners have been voting with their wallets for dependability over peak performance. Approximately 90% of CX-5 buyers have been choosing the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine over the turbocharged variant. This overwhelming preference reveals what matters most when you're using your SUV to commute to work every day, haul kids to soccer practice, and take weekend trips to visit family. You want an engine that fires up instantly in winter weather, doesn't require premium fuel to avoid knocking, and won't leave you stranded with expensive turbocharger failures after the warranty expires. The naturally aspirated engine delivers 187 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque, but these numbers represent 15 years of continuous refinement and reliability improvements. When you're merging onto the highway or passing slower traffic, this engine provides smooth, predictable power delivery without the lag or complexity that turbocharged systems often introduce. Maintenance costs remain significantly lower because there are fewer complex components that can fail, and you can use regular unleaded fuel instead of premium. Number 2. Hybrid is coming. If you've been watching gas prices climb and calculating how much you spend filling up your SUV each month, you know that fuel economy has become more than just an environmental concern. It's a real budget issue that affects your family's finances. The current CX-5 delivers decent fuel economy for its class, but it can't compete with hybrid rivals that are achieving 40+ mpg in real-world driving. For the first time in the model's history, Mazda is developing an in-house hybrid system specifically for the CX-5. When you're stuck in stop-and-go traffic during your daily commute, this hybrid system will allow the electric motor to move the vehicle at low speeds, saving gasoline and reducing emissions while providing instant torque that makes city driving more responsive. The decision to develop their own hybrid technology rather than borrowing from Toyota means this system is being optimized specifically for CX-5 buyers' priorities. Mazda understands that their customers value smooth operation and long-term reliability over maximum fuel economy numbers that only work under perfect test conditions. Therefore, when the hybrid arrives, you'll get improved efficiency without sacrificing the driving characteristics that made you choose a Mazda in the first place. Number 1. Next-generation gas engines. Have you ever wondered why your smartphone gets more powerful and efficient every year, but car engines seem to improve incrementally? Internal combustion technology has been reaching the limits of traditional design approaches, but Mazda's engineers have found a breakthrough that promises to change everything. The Skyactiv Z engine family incorporates Lambda 1 combustion methodology, which ensures that the air-to-fuel mixture burns completely without excess air. When you press the accelerator pedal, this technology maximizes energy extraction from every drop of gasoline while minimizing waste heat that normally gets expelled through the exhaust system. Instead of losing energy to heat and incomplete combustion, more of the fuel's potential gets converted into forward motion. These next-generation engines are being developed in both naturally aspirated and turbocharged variants, giving buyers a choice between maximum reliability and a maximum performance. The naturally aspirated version maintains Mazda's commitment to linear power delivery that responds predictably to your right foot, while the turbocharged option provides acceleration capability that rivals much more expensive performance SUVs. The Lambda 1 combustion process allows these engines to run at higher compression ratios than traditional designs, extracting more energy from the same amount of fuel. When you fill up at the gas station, each gallon will take you noticeably farther than current power plants, reducing both your fuel costs and the frequency of gas station visits. But this efficiency comes without sacrificing the sound and feel of a traditional engine, so you'll still enjoy the responsive character that makes driving engaging. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 represents what happens when an automaker actually listens to its customers instead of chasing trends. From the premium styling that eliminates parking lot anonymity to the expanded interior that finally fits real families, every change directly addresses years of owner complaints about cramped space, confusing technology, and reliability concerns, while the upcoming hybrid system and revolutionary Skyactiv Z engines position this redesigned crossover to dominate the compact SUV segment for the next decade. But the actual success will depend on many things, including the competition, which is shaping up for the next year as well. If you think the CX-5 will have an open road to class-leading sales figures, just check out our review of the 2026 Hyundai Tucson you can now see on the screen. Not only is the Korean SUV the CX-5's direct rival in terms of interior luxury and refinement, but it also comes with pretty impressive hybrid options that could make the difference.